90, 95. Oh yeah. He's landing it. Let's go up. Yo! Okay. Dude, 200! No way, Chad! Yo, today I'm with the Tiger Supra again. Yo, Joy, what's up?
What's up, man? Summer vibes, dude. Summer vibes.
Exactly, summer vibes. What scooter is this?
Awesome, bro.
Awesome what?
Awesome SR1.
Awesome S1 how?
SR1.
SR1?
Yeah.
Hydraulic zoom brakes.
Yeah.
Yo, no, they are nice. Nice scooter, bro. What are we doing today?
Ride out.
Ride out. Yo, chat, today we're gonna do a ride out. It was such a long time when you came the last time here. I want to see how many people will show up. I think at least 20 because the guys with the surrounds are coming.
Guys with surrounds are showing up?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna have surrounds.
Yes. Talarias, surrounds. Maybe. Chat. 3, 2, 1. Okay, again. Yeah, wheeling the Supra. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. Slow, and stop. Yo, I missed the Supra. The summer is coming soon. Don't forget to use my discount code for any kukirin. I'm so happy today. Today I made my first sale. I sold my first kukirin. Someone used my discount code. Chat, I'm so happy. Look at Joy. The weather today is perfect. It's sunny, dry asphalt. It's not too cold and not too hot. It's perfect temperature. And we had to do a ride out. It was impossible to miss that type of weather. I missed spring so much. Last year, in 2025, spring season, in March, I was with Joy, with the G4, with the blue one, and I was pulling wheelies non-stop. Now, after 1 year, same place, different scooters, much better scooters, in my opinion. The Supra is the goat of scooters. But Joy scratched the Supra. Yo! How did you manage to scratch the Supra? You destroyed it.
I don't know.
You're stupid. It's the most beautiful scooter you have and you scratched it. Bad person. It was my favorite scooter. Yo, I miss the Supra so much. Opa, failed wheelie. Oh, whoa. Mercedes. Wheelie. Chat, I know I'm stupid today. Chat, the brain rot got me. I'm wheeling non-stop.
This guy's so goated.
Joy started yapping. I'm not stopping.
Over the speed bump.
We have to take a lift. Dude, I'm so happy.
So happy, dude. So happy.
The weather is perfect. I missed you. I missed ride outs.
So vibes, bro.
Exactly. Papa Willy.
Really?
Willy.
Okay, look at it.
Yeah. Opa. Yeah. Hey. Nice, bro. Hey.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Easy.
You learned how to wheelie.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. Now we can do double wheelies.
Yeah, together.
Yeah, let's do a wheelie together.
Bro.
Oh. Failed wheelies.
Nice. Together.
We are doing it together. Woo! The best thing you can do when spring is coming. Buy a scooter and ride with the friends. And we are arriving. Okay. No. I have to show up with a wheelie. It's... Yeah! Supra! Speed bumper. I feel nothing. No way! Amos, it's you are! Dude, how are you? Cinta! What is this?
Oh my god.
Saran.
Game guys, dude! Game guys,
Chat, look at this G4. It looks like my old G4 but in white. This looks so good. Nice build, bro. Ayan! Komodo! Dude, how are you? Let me try it, please. Let me try it. I have my camera. I have to show the people. I have to show it right now. I have to show the people. Dude, 200! Okay. Okay. Now you have to give it to your brother. Okay, chat. I want the Komodo, dude. I miss the Komodo. No way! 90! 95! Yo! Dude! Dude! This Komodo scared the shit out of me! Out of me! Way! Dude! Okay, 3, 2, 1. No way! 70, 80, 90, 95 is limited. No way! Look at this bike! Shot! I love it! I love it! Yeah, man! I missed you so much, dude.
I miss you too, man.
I'm so happy because you got this bike. You made it. You did it, dude. Yo, Charo! How are you?
Good, good.
I missed you. Lucky. Yo, I will race the G2 Master with the awesome SR1. Dude, you're cooked. 3, 2,
I want to race with you.
1. Okay.
This one I think is better quality.
Ah!
I honestly have to think.
I have to lead the ride out. Okay, girls, let's go. Let's go! Look at this guy! The summer vibe is back! Let's go! Let's go! Dude, go faster! Go faster, dude! Move! 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 Oh yeah! He's nailing it! Dude, look at this guy! I missed him so much! Yo! Keep it up! Keep it up! Dude, this guy is wheeling non-stop! Let's go! Look at Joy! Whoa! 50 kilometers per hour, really! Woo! We're back on the streets! Dude! I love this vibe. 50? Let's go, Supra! Oh! He almost looped out. Use our brakes, bro. You have brakes. Dude. It's easy, you just have to press them. Yeah. Go. No way, Chad! Shot! I was wheeling next to a bus! Dude! Oh yeah. Dude! He's insane. Opa! Oh yeah, chat. After 6 months, we did the ride out in this city. And after all, in this city, the ride outs are the best. Everyone is pulling wheelies, everyone is going fast, everyone is crazy. Crazy shit right there. Let's go. Dude, I have to wheelie non-stop. Don't feel bad. Chat! Let's go! Chat, I don't know if you can see. I'm changing legs in middle of wheelie. Like, I'm insane on this Supra! Dude! I miss this vibe so much! Let's go! Pop up! Yo! Leading a ride out is not that fun. Like, I just have to show you how I pull wheelie. I just have to show you how I pull wheelies because I'm in front of everyone. And maybe when it's coming someone with a surround and pulling a wheelie, but yeah. Dude! Yo! Okay. Yo, he fell! Dude, you're okay? You're okay, dude? You're okay? Let's go! Okay, Cinta is taking me a ride with a Talaria. Dude, please, don't wheelie. Chat! 3, 2, 1. Wow! Pull a wheelie. Wheelie.
Now, hold on.
Yo, chat! All memories with Cinta. Wow! Dude! Let's go! Thank you, Cinta. Love you. This was insane. I wanna thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!